in connection. If you're still holding a United boarding pass and the mobile boarding pass and your document has not been verified by our center podium table, please come to our podium table for the mandatory document check. Once again, if you're still holding a United boarding pass or a mobile boarding pass and your document...
Ladies and gentlemen, dear guests, here's your captain speaking. My name is Hauke Kornmesser. On behalf of the whole crew and the German Lufthansa, welcome aboard here on a flight to Frankfurt. But now our preparations are finished. All passengers on board will start the engines soon and on schedule to leave Washington initially in westerly direction, thereafter heading towards the northeast, following the American east coast towards Newfoundland. Then we'll cross the Atlantic and reach Europe over Ireland and then England, Belgium and Frankfurt. Ladies and gentlemen, please make yourself comfortable. You can expect some further information from the cockpit just before we land.
Good evening, also behalf of the cabin crew would like to welcome you on board on our Lufthansa Airlines flight to Frankfurt. My name is Alexandra and I'm the vice support. I'm supported by my partner colleague, Mrs. Margaret Meyer. We will soon leave the stairs and be on our way with the flight time today expected to be 7 hours and 25 minutes. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is stored safely and does not block the aisle or an emergency exit. Please fasten your seatbelt now and pull it tight. In addition to your comfort, your safety is our major priority. And for this reason, we will now be showing you a movie with information about your safety on board. Together with my team, I wish you now a very pleasant flight with us.
We will now show you the safety features on board. Take care at all times when opening the overhead bins, as items could fall out. In economy class and premium economy class, please also use the space under the seat in front of you for stowing your carry-on baggage. Fasten your seatbelt and check that it is tight. To unfasten your seatbelt, simply pull up the flap. As turbulence can occur at any time, you are required to fasten your seatbelt whenever you are seated. This aircraft has 10 emergency exits. They are marked accordingly. Illuminated strips on the floor will guide you to these exits. These exits are equipped with evacuation slides, which you can use to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Leave your hand baggage on board. In the unlikely event of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the panel above you. Pull the mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose with the mask and secure it by pulling the elastic strap over your head. Then help any children and fellow passengers who require assistance. The area outside the lavatories in the lower deck is also equipped with oxygen masks. After putting on the mask, sit on the floor and hold on to the handrail. As the number of oxygen masks in this area is limited, no more than 10 people may wait here at one time. Waiting on the stairs is also prohibited. There is a life vest at every seat. In first class, you will find your life vest under the armrest. In business class and premium economy class, it is also stored under the armrest. In economy class, your life vest is located under your seat. Take some time to read through the information in the safety instructions, which you can find at your seat. The safety instructions also show the safety position that you should adopt in the event of an emergency landing. We will soon be ready for takeoff. Ensure that your table, leg rest, remote control and the monitor are stowed and secured correctly. Make sure that your backrest is in an upright position and your window shade is open. You are required by law to follow all signs, placards and instructions given by the crew.
leichtere Gerätchen wie mobilen Telefone oder Tablets dürfen Sie weiterhin in der Hand halten. Sobald die kleinen Verbindungen nicht mehr zur Verfügung stehen, müssen Ihre elektronischen Geräte im Flugmodus immer vollständig ausgeschaltet sein. Bitte nehmen Sie dann auch Platz und schließen Sie Ihren Sitzbund. Good morning, we are now starting approaching to Frankfurt. Kindly make sure that your electronic devices and hand luggage are advanced or correct for landing. You may do choose larger devices such as mobile phones or tablets. Once the current connection is no longer available, you're required to put your many devices with the transmission function. Or alternatively, make sure that flight mode is still activated. Please take a seat again and fasten your seatbelt. Lufthansa Starlines flight with us, and we wish you now a very pleasant weekend here in Frankfurt. A very nice and a safe onward journey.
willkommen am Frankfurter Flughafen. In wenigen Minuten kommen wir am Terminal 1 an. Um Ihr Gepäck entgegenzunehmen, folgen Sie bitte den Hinweisschildern zur Gepäckausgabe. Wenn Sie einen Lufthansa-Anschlussflug gebucht und Ihre Bordkarte noch nicht erhalten haben, wenden Sie sich bitte an einen Lufthansa-Service-Schalter. Haben Sie Ihre Bordkarte bereits erhalten, prüfen Sie bitte auf den Informationsmonitoren hier im Bus und im Terminalgebäude, ob sich Ihr Abfluggate geändert hat. Bitte nutzen Sie auch das kostenlose WLAN im Flughafengebäude, um sich über die Lufthansa-App oder lufthansa.com über Ihren Anschlussflug zu informieren und auf deren vielfältige Online-Services zuzugreifen. Lufthansa und die Star Alliance-Partner wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Tag. Dear passengers, welcome to Frankfurt Airport. In just a few minutes we will arrive at Terminal 1. To receive your luggage, please follow the signs for baggage claim. If you're booked on a Lufthansa connecting flight and still need a boarding pass, please go to the next Lufthansa service counter. If you received your boarding pass already, please check the monitors inside the terminal and here on the bus to make sure the assigned gate has not changed. Please also use the free Wi-Fi available at the airport to access the Lufthansa app or lufthansa.com for connecting flight information and an extensive range of online services. Lufthansa and its Star Alliance partners wish you a great day.